Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com, and in this video we're going to have a bit of a stock market update or a stock update on GS, Goldman Sachs. So let's get into it. Alright traders, anything I do say in this video is general advice only. You know that there's a lot of different areas to become a good trader, right? You've got emotional mastery, trading systems, charting techniques, money management, trade management. There's a whole bunch of areas you need to become good at when trading, right? So just use this as a way of how to learn how to read the charts, but also a bit of an update and some things you can learn on when applying your techniques to the charts, okay? So firstly, what I want to do is I'm looking at the daily chart right now of Goldman Sachs, and you can see my chart. Let's go over to the weekly chart now. And what I want to do is I just want to delete everything. I want to delete all the moving averages and everything off the screen right now and get a good view of what's happening through this here, okay? So the first thing I do see is that we did have, obviously we had this sort of movement through here, okay? And then the markets, you can see how the markets through it. And then after this bit through here on Goldman Sachs, you can see we started having a bit of run to the high side. So if I draw this trend line down through here, okay? And then if I connect it up through there, let me just bring this over through there, and then we bring it up through there. You can see what's happened, okay? You can see what's happened now on this chart, right? We had this support through here, had a whole bunch of support through here, and now we're actually in a pretty big upward channel, aren't we? As you can see through there. So a pretty big upward channel right now on Goldman Sachs. Plus also I can see, guys, if I do a horizontal line, you can see how this whole area through here was indeed an area of support and resistance, as you can see, right? This is on the weekly chart, by the way, okay? On the weekly chart. And you can see what's happened right now. We've had a run up, we're having a bit of a pullback. So let's go back to the daily chart right now. Let's see if we can see anything that's on the daily chart. Now, what we can see is I can see that there's a couple of different channels that's happening through here. So let me just pull this up through here. We can see how we did have this channel through here, okay? So we had this channel bouncing off through here. It was bouncing off through here. It broke through, hit resistance, and now it's breaking back down, okay? So now the channel is probably, there's actually a smaller channel, or I should say a different channel now that's forming through here. Okay, so forming through there. So as you can see, that's what's happening now. And also we are at an area, you can see this whole area through here is a support level. So we're really at an area of support. So here's what I do see on Goldman Sachs. If we do break past this support, then we're going to likely run back down where it is right now, down to probably about 194 to 196, somewhere around about there. If we do hold here and break this resistance level, this channel, then we're likely to race to new highs. Okay, so that's what I do see on Goldman Sachs. We can see the moving averages are sort of just crossing over, bit of a sideways movement. But as we can see, guys, right, we can see that we are in a big upward trend through here. So the momentum is to the high side. We still are in this big upward channel overall, and we're just possibly just gone through a bit of a sideways movement through here, as you can see, right? So anyway, guys, that's it for me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more information about how I trade the markets, then click on this image up the top here. You can get a free trading course to help you even more. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.